Hello and welcome to the installation of CURT's 13609 Class 3 trailer hitch, installed on a 2024 Kia Sorento. CURT's 13609 fits a variety of vehicles. Please visit our website to see the most current vehicle fitment coverage and to find the custom-made trailer hitch for your vehicle. Let's begin by opening the rear cargo hatch and lowering and removing the spare tire to have more room for an easier installation of the hitch. On Kia Sorento models, there is a plastic cover on the rear driver's side that needs to be removed. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove 3 plastic fasteners. Then pull the cover straight down. In some cases, 2 plastic retainers may need to be unscrewed for the cover to be removed. Next, you will need to lower the exhaust. We recommend supporting the exhaust system with a simple ratchet strap to prevent damage or stress. Then use a soapy water mixture with a pry bar to remove the rubber isolators from the exhaust hangers, or use an exhaust removal tool like we have done here. There are 3 exhaust hangers to lower. On both the driver and passenger side, there will be factory attachment points covered up by a rubber plug. This vehicle has had those factory plugs already removed. Remove the plugs to reveal the attachment points. Raise the hitch into position over the exhaust with some help. Align the attachment points on the hitch's side plates with the factory attachment points on the vehicle. Then, use the included hex bolts and conical washers to fasten the hitch to the vehicle's attachment points. There are 3 attachment points on each side plate of the hitch. Then, torque all hardware to 60 foot-pounds. Then carefully reinstall the rubber exhaust isolators onto the exhaust hangers. Reinstall the plastic cover. Reinstall the spare tire. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed CURT's 13609 on the 2024 Kia Sorento. Remember to identify your vehicle manufacturer's recommended towing capacity before you tow. Get ready to bring it and install the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness next. And please visit CURT's website for all your towing products and towing information needs. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and please comment below or reach out to our technical support team if you have any installation questions. Always tow safely.